Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys all the tips and tricks, and then about this remote. If you have the remote key fob like this with the metal key, this should be work with all your Nissan or your Infinity. So as you can see right now, if I turn lock the car, you can hear the door lock and stuff like that, but there's no horn honking. So in order for you to turn it back on, you need to press and hold the lock and unlock button at the same time, simultaneously. And you hear the horn, so that means you just enable the lock with the horn. Okay, so now unlock, and then if I press lock, it's gonna honk. Okay, and if you want to disable that feature, you do the same thing. I'm gonna go into the car and then show you guys what it shows inside the car though. It's gonna be hot right now, so let's go ahead and do that. So right now we're in the car. I'm gonna press and hold the lock and unlock the button at the same time. And you're gonna look for the hazard light. Ready? Go. Alright, so that means you just disable the honking feature. So right now if I turn unlock it and lock, there's no horn honking. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys in order to unlock the door and stuff like that with just your metal key. Alright, so normally when you lock your car, and then when you turn, put the key in there and then turn it to the back, it's gonna just unlock your driver's side door. Okay, and all other three doors is still locked. So if you want to unlock it, you need to do the same thing and then twice within a couple seconds. So now all the doors are unlocked, even the trunk. And then right now we're going to show you guys on how to program it. The instruction on how to reprogram Nissan key fob, either your Altima, Rogue, Juke, Titan, or probably equivalent to like a 350Z or whatever. So you will need to get into your driver's side seat and then lock all the doors using the power door lock switch, which is over here. I'm going to lock it up, which is lock all the door. And then we're going to insert the actual metal key into the ignition. 6 times within the 10 seconds. And then you will see the hazard light is gonna blink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you just hear the hazard light? I'm gonna do it again so you guys can see it. So you need to do it in a fast motion. But lock the driver's side door, lock all the door, and insert the key in the ignition 6 times within 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I kind of screwed up at the beginning. So we're gonna lock the door on the driver's side. Press the button to lock out the door, and then we're gonna insert the key 6 times within the 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So after you hear the hazard light, to confirm your headlamps, after you receive the confirmation on your hazard lights, we're going to insert the metal key to the ignition, but turn it to the ACC position. So we're going to turn it to ACC position. ACC. Within the 5 seconds after you complete the insert the key, and then you're going to press a lock. And then your hazard light blink twice again to let you know the program is complete. If you press it more than 2 times on the lock, then you're gonna mess up the programming. So make sure you don't press the lock on your remote twice, just 1 time only. And then to program the remaining key using the switch on the driver's side to unlock and then lock. So if you have more than 1 key, you're gonna unlock and then lock again, and then all the doors should be locked within the 5 seconds. Then you're gonna press the lock on the remote for the additional key, and then as you can see, you can hear the hazard it blink twice again. So that means your program has finished. So you're gonna remove the key, and then that's it. Okay. So as you can see, everything is in working order now. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.